everyone, welcome. My name is MC. Today I'm going to show you easy peasy way of applying eyeshadow on the eyelid. I know a lot of us can apply eyeshadow, on the eye, but I just wanted to show you how easily you can transform your daytime look to nighttime look using glitter, or maybe just taking it from the normal easy eyes to like something vavavoom, so just using glitter. So I haven't done anything on the eye. Eyeshadow, more eyeshadow palette. Okay, and glitter glue. Okay, and then this substitute glitter in this color. So I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Conceal, this color, just on my eyelid. Like that. You can use a brush, or I'm going to be using my arms because it's easier for me. Take it apart. Put it all over my eyelid. I'm not going to take it all the way off, just a little bit, like to the crease where I have the fold. That's what I'm going to stop. So do the same thing. Now, so because the color I'm using here is a bit goldish, orangey, so I'll go in with a color, just take my eyeshadow brush and then go in with the color that is matte. So I'm going to go in with the dark color, so I'll go in with this color just all over the lid. So I'm not taking it all the way up, just stopping at the middle, like 2/3. If you have hooded hair, you have to take it up above the hood. Can you see? So there's the inner crease here. So I'm just going to stop there. Just the color that I'm just going to use all over. Okay, like that. So I do the same thing to the other eyes. I have it here. I can use my brush or my hand, but let me just swipe with my brush. So can you see? That's without. This is it without the glue. Okay, can you see? So this is without the glue, this is with the glue. So I'm going to use the glue to give it more coverage. Can you see? So it's easier and then it stays put. Okay, so I'm going to use the glue on my eye. This is without the glue, and then this. Okay, and then I go in and just go into the middle of the eyes. And I just pat. Can you see? So that's it. Let me do the other eyes. So this is what we have. So if you look at it, it's a lot intense. So I go in with the blending brush and then I go back in with the eyeshadow that I took, this one, just to fill up the corners. So note, I'm not going back up, I'm just patting it in. This helps to give it a bit more depth. You can use whatever color you want to use. You can use black, brown, whatever color, but I am using this color. So Then I just go in with this video black again. So I kind of do that depth I want. So, with my black pencil now, my baby luster pencil, just going to line my eyes. So for the under eye, I'm just going to line the up first and then line the under. So that's it. My waterline, I don't want to use black. I want to use another color from this color, from this palette. So I'm going to use this color that I used initially underneath my eyes. So I'm not going to go to the black with the inner. I just start from like here all the way down. So that's it. In the waterline. So that's it. I just fixed the lashes and then that's about it. I added lashes to it to give it a more powerful effect. So that's the finished look, guys. So what do you think? So let me quickly run through what I did. So first thing I did was I used this MAC concealer on my eyelid. Then I went in with my eyeshadow from MAC palette. I went in with this color and I used it all over the entire lid. Then I went in with Shop CC glitters. So I just applied that with this. I used a little bit of this, you know, on my brush. So I used a little bit of this on my brush. That's the glitter glue on my brush, so that it can help me make it stay. So I took a bit of the Shop CC glitters and then I applied on, just patted it in, like I built, or you know, cover it to what I wanted. You can use your hand as well if you want to, but I wanted to use the brush because I wanted a bit more tidy effect. With the brush, I am sure that I won't make a mess. So another technique to it is you can do the eye makeup before you do the powder and foundation. That way you can easily clean out the fallout from the eyeshadow. Trust me, it's not as easy as it looks, or rather it's not. To getting the eyeshadow to stay in one place is because I use the glitter glue. If you don't have the glitter glue, you might have to use a setting spray on your brush and then apply so that it can stay put in one place. Otherwise the eyeshadow will just, you know, be falling off, and then when you look down or you blink, you know, there can be a crack or a crease. So set your brush with a setting mist and then take the glitter, or use the glitter glue. This is actually way easier. It's like the fastest method. Just put a bit of this on the brush and then you pat and build to the consistency you want. So having gotten the consistency I wanted, I went in back with my blending brush, just, you know, blended it in, and that's about it. Added the lashes, voila, we're good. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, if it's something you would like to try. I just like the way glitter makes the eye look baba boom, like you're awake. You can take it from 0 to 100 real quick with the glitter, so it just makes it look like with little or no effort, you know, you just look like, oh, you've arrived and you're looking really glam, you know. So that's what glitter does. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, and thank you so much. Till my next video. Bye, guys.